Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's Polynomial Operations Review. So, adding and subtracting polynomials. So let's take a look at adding. So the thing to remember with adding and subtracting, you have to add and subtract like terms. So let's go ahead and do number 6 together. So I'm going to go ahead and look through this group here, and starting with this first one. Negative 4x, I'm going to add that to negative 3x because those are like terms because the variable is the same and the exponent is the same. So negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7x. Okay, next term, we have x cubed term. So here's an x cubed term, so these two get added. So 4 plus 3 is 7 x cubed. And those are done. And then we have a couple constants here we can add together. So 7 plus negative 9 is negative 2. Now the last thing you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to order it from in descending order. So starting with your largest exponent. And the constant always goes on the end. Okay, let's take a look at a subtraction problem. So we'll go ahead and do number 10. So our first term is an x squared term. So we're going to combine that one with the x squared term over here. So we have negative 1 minus negative 7, which is the same as negative 1 plus 7. So that's going to give us 6x squared. Okay, next like term, so negative 5x, subtract negative 8x. So that's going to be negative 5 plus 8, which is 3x. And now our constants, negative 3 minus negative 8, which is negative 3 plus 8, which is 5. And it's in the correct order, so we're done. All right, multiplying polynomials. Now, these are monomials. We're multiplying them together. So we start by multiplying the constants, the coefficients. 8 times negative 3, negative 24. And then our next variable is x. And remember that when multiplying, you add exponents. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Next variable is y. 2 plus 3 is 5. And done. Now for 25, you can either FOIL it or you can use the box method to multiply this together. So I'm not going to do the whole thing for you. So I think most of you are able to do this. We got 4x minus 3 times 3x minus 5. Fill in the boxes, combine like terms, and you'll have your answer. Now, a problem like 34, you could do a box here. You could do a 2 by 3 box if you'd like to. So, 2 rows, 3 columns, so 2x minus 5, 5x squared plus 4x plus 7. And then fill in the boxes, combine like terms, and then you'll have your answer. For the dividing, now it doesn't tell you to use long division or synthetic. So I'm going to leave it up to you. Let's go ahead and do one of these together. So for example, 35. We have 9x minus 6 divided by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and use long division here. 3 goes into 9x, 3x times. And then 3 goes into negative 6, negative 2 times. So when you divide these, you get 3x minus 2. Now don't forget, when you have a binomial and you're dividing by a binomial, see it, Frank? You're dividing, if you're using long division, you just divide by f plus 4. But if you're using synthetic, you're using negative 4, you're using the root to divide by. Okay? Well, I want to keep these videos short, so I'm going to stop here. And if you need any help, you know where I'm at. Hope you're having a good night.